What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And my sales fucking suck. And they suck so bad, I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on. And I took a trip to Amazon today. Um, and let me show you what's going on in the search results. I think Amazon is about to do a big update, or about to get new products, or they're changing the algorithm again. Um, And let me show you why I think so. So normally, when you type in director shirt, mine's always um, the top one, right? So I'm gonna refresh this. Everything I see is Amazon FBA. So I don't know if they're taking out the time to swap out merch, all the merch stuff, so the FBA people can make some money, or something they're doing. But like, I just typed in director shirt, and normally it's a bunch of Amazon merch stuff, but it's not. So, and look at this, right? Look at all this shit. This is not what normally pops up. And then I put another keywords that I'm doing stuff, right. Let me show you this. So I make a lot of weed shirts, which I'm pretty sure soon I'm gonna probably have to delete because they're throttling them. So let's do this. So I type in weed shirt, right? Um, I had some stuff. I had something on the first page. It's gone. And like I said, all of this shit is not Amazon merch stuff. It's all FBA. So I'm wondering, are they just swapping stuff out right now so the other people can get sales, or what's going on? Because I'm not seeing none of the normal shit that I usually see. And I'm going to show you in several niches that I'm in, so you guys know I'm not crazy. So even when I push newest arrivals earlier, I only seen like one, maybe two ones that were Amazon merch, if this shit decides to load. Um, so yeah, this is why it's important to always do your research so you can see what's going on. I can just tell how this month is going, and it's gonna suck. It's gonna really suck for me. But it's okay. I'm about to really just sit back and just focus on designing until they get their shit together. See, look. So even when I push new, there's only two ones that are Amazon merch. I can always tell because of the mock-up. Like all this other shit is FBA, FBA, FBA. All this shit's FBA, FBA. So comment below, man. Can you guys go on and do some research today in your niches and see if you're getting the same kind of thing? Um, Trying to figure out what the hell is going on, but I'm not seeing any of the merch stuff. And I'm keep going. Let's try another niche that I'm in. Let's go Bitcoin. Let's see if they're doing it on there too. Only 109 results are popping up. Oh man, that is not good. Usually Bitcoin got like 50, 30,000. God damn. Oh my god. Okay. This is a merch one. Let's see. But all these are FBA, FBA, FBA. Look at this shit, man. This is all FBA. Usually there's the same ones on Bitcoin. Oh man, and none of them are showing up besides the sponsored stuff. Yeah, Amazon is definitely doing some update, or they're doing something because none of this stuff is Amazon merch stuff. So I want you guys to go on and do your research and see what's happening in your niche, or if it's just Amazon as a whole. They're doing something today. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that My week has been terrible. I'm coming from having 318 sales to having 5 this week, and I just got another return, and so that knocked all the little money that I did make. This is about to be a really terrible month, but hey, I'm just gonna use this time to sit back and fill up all these designs. And by the time I fill all these up, hopefully they got their shit together. But yeah, just interesting. That's why it's so important to stay doing your research so you can see what's going on. Um, but yeah, if you guys are seeing the same thing, please go on and try to do your own research. But if you guys are seeing the same thing, please comment below and let me know what you guys are seeing. But yep, I love you guys, man. Till next time, to the next video. And let's hope Amazon gets their shit together.